How to clear the Grab apps cache on Android. So first open settings on your phone. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Here you'll see an option called manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Tap on it and again you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and type in Grab. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen for stop, uninstall and clear data. Simply tap on clear data, which is located on the bottom right corner. Here you'll see an option called clear cache. Simply tap on it and tap on OK to confirm your decision, and it is that easy. This is how you can clear the Grab apps cache on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.